How to fix Rocket League opening and closing. First off, find your Epic Games launcher, right click on it, select properties. From here we want to go to the compatibility tab and check this compatibility mode. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and from the drop down menu select Windows 7. The other thing you need to tick is this: run this program as an administrator. Click apply, click OK. After that, open up your Epic Games launcher. Give it a second to load, it's kinda slow. So after it has loaded, you want to go to library, and the thing you need to do is click on these three dots right here under your Rocket League game and simply click on manage and then click on verify files. So if any errors have occurred during your gameplay of Rocket League, this will just verify that the installation has been done well and that no errors have occurred. If that doesn't fix it for you, try updating your video card drivers, AMD or NVIDIA. Use the software and hopefully that fixes it for you. Leave a like and subscribe if it helped you out. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.